exploring the phrase, blanks. Hey learners! Today, we're diving into a common English phrase, blanks. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in your conversations. So, let's jump right in. When we think of the word blank, it often refers to an empty space or a place where something is missing. For example, in a form or a test paper, you might see blank spaces where you're expected to fill in your answers. In the same way, the phrase, fill in the blanks, is a common English expression that means to provide the missing information. Just like many English phrases, blanks can be used metaphorically. When someone says, "Can you fill in the blanks for me?" they might not be talking about a piece of paper. Instead, they could be asking for missing information or details about a story or an event. For instance, if a friend is telling a story and skips some parts, you might say, "Wait, you missed some parts. Can you fill in the blanks for me?" There are a few related expressions that you might hear. 1. Drawing a blank. This means to forget something or be unable to remember or think of something. For example, I tried to remember his name, but I drew a blank. 2. Blank out. To suddenly forget something, especially something important. For example, I knew the answer, but I blanked out during the test. Blanks might seem simple at first, but as we've seen, it can be used in various ways in English, both literally and metaphorically. Now that you're familiar with the phrase and its uses, try to incorporate it into your conversations. We hope this video has been helpful, and remember, practice makes perfect. Happy learning!